Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be viewing this ICZI micro HDMI to HDMI cable. And this one costs roughly $7 on Amazon. And the length is about 6 feet. Here's the micro HDMI part, gold-plated tip. It supports HDMI 1.4 specs, so what that means is that it can even support 4K displays. Here is my Sony digital camera. For me, the benefit of having a micro HDMI cable is for devices like my Sony RX100 camera, where it has a micro HDMI port. Here, let me have it connected to my TV here. Let me just play this video. Pause it. Very clear display. I like the quality of the cable. Excellent build quality. Good length, 6 feet. And the price, can't beat it. It's under $7. It's like $6.99 on Amazon. So with that said, I would recommend this. Thanks for watching this review of the ICZI micro HDMI to HDMI cable. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.